All right, let's look at the homework 5.5, problem number 5. All right, so we have f of x, which is 2 over x, g of x is negative e to the x, and x is going from 1/2 to 1. All right, so which would be the correct region? All right, so first one, if you look at the first picture here, all right, so 2 over x does not look like this, so this is not it. All right, this one looks okay, but negative e to the x does not go through the origin, so that's why the second one is not the correct picture. And third one, you have, so this is 2 over x, it looks like that. And then negative e to the x actually looks like that. So this is the correct picture. Right here, this is obvious. This does not look like a 2 to the x. 2 to the x at least a decreasing here. All right, so this is the correct picture. All right. Then after that, we want to find the area of the region. All right, so let's set up an integral and find the area of the region. All right. All right, so I already have the region here. So let's set up the integral here. So area A is going to be equal to integral is going from 1/2 to 1. So it's going to go from 1/2 to 1. All right, the top curve is this 2 over x. So we have a 2 over x. And then we're going to subtract the negative e to the x. So it's going to be minus negative, so it's double negatives, plus e to the x. All right. So let's find the antiderivative. So we just need to find an antiderivative. So 2 is just a constant here. All right, 1 over x antiderivative is natural log of absolute value of x. All right, plus e to the x antiderivative is e to the x. All right. Then you're going from 1/2 to 1. All right. So this is going to be equal to, all right. So if you plug in 1, you have a 2 times natural log of 1 plus e to the 1, so which is e, minus 2 times natural log of 1/2 plus e to the 1/2 power inside the parentheses. All right, and we know that here natural log of 1 is 0, so you can scratch the first term. All right, so this is going to be equal to, so you have a e here. All right, and I'm going to rewrite this guy a little bit. So here you have 1/2 is 2 to the negative 1 power, but we can put the power in front, so it's a negative natural log of 2. All right, so it's going to be negative 2 times negative natural log of 2, so a double negative, so it's going to be a plus 2 times natural log of 2, right? Then minus e to the 1/2 power is a square root of e, right? So let's type it in. All right, so we have e plus 2 times natural log of 2 minus square root of e, right? So let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got the correct picture and the correct area there. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.